Hello YouTube friends and family, and we're back again. Ito na nga yung continuation ng ating previous vlog na Sunday morning. Tapos nagpunta kami dito sa LA Harbor College swap meet. Hindi ko kasi pinakita yung buong video ng swap meet sa previous video ko dahil kinat ko na dahil ayoko ng sobrang mahabang video. Baka masuya kayo or mapagod kayo manood. So, ito guys. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Enjoy nyo din yung tour. Maganda. Swap meet na to. First time
they arrange it so neatly.
Napakita ko sa inyo yung mga paninda nila dito. At stay tuned lang guys.
They're dollars, our dollars. Do you like this one? No?
I do.
It says dollar. Both, you know. This one's, I don't think it's a dollar. Yep. See. Oh my goodness.
That's the one.
Tools for the boys.
Go to see if you pull yourself.
Oh, nice. Cool. Making around right now, and then Sour, I want to see this. What is this?
Ayan, medyo malaki yung swap meet na to, pero sa tingin ko hindi siya ganun masyado ka-exciting dahil una-una puro mga Spanish yung nandito guys. Parang wala akong nakita kahit isang Filipino dito sa swap meet na to. At medyo yung mga paninda nila hindi ganun ka masyadong ka-interesado guys. Pero okay lang kung gusto niyo ng mga mapupuntahan at wala kayo talagang importanteng gagawin. Pwede kayong maglakad-lakad sa swap meet na to. So far, may nabili naman akong couple items na okay naman.
Fruits and veggies.
Kahit hindi ko naman kailangan ng nabili ko. Yun lang. At yung asawa ko nakabili siya ng isang
anything
habanero pepper at nakuha niya yun for $1. Nonetheless, I think mas favorite ko talaga yung Golden West swap meet sa Huntington area sa May College swap meet ng Golden West. So far yun talaga guys yung favorite ko na swap meet. Madami kasi sila doon treasures. Ito kasi masyadong
so common
dito. Masyado bang common? Masyadong,
there's more on that side, huh?
Hindi ganun ka-unique yung mga tinda nila dito.
On what side?
Other side, or we went there already?
No, we're going up and down roads now.
No, okay.
I mean, a lot of variety.
The street is full of yard sale or rummage sale.
We'll turn around.
No, that's smart. And then, oh, you got some gems there.
Yard sale.
Yeah. So we went to a swap meet, and then getting out of the swap meet, we found this tunnel and people are walking, so we traced the tunnel.
It's over to here.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of things, but parking is a little
horrible.
crazy.
Wanted to see, but look, how can you park there? There's corner. There's a bunch of clothes and all that jazz. And right
Across the
there,
street, food.
yeah, dollar clothes. There's carnita taco stand there, burrito. That's it, guys. Ayan yung ating adventure para sa Sunday morning. At itong Sunday morning na to, guys, hindi kami nakapag-church dahil for some reason. At ito yung view natin dito sa ocean, dito sa San Pedro. Maraming mga boaters na nag-boating today, lalo yung mga sailors. Ayan. Sobrang busy sila itong Sunday na to sa kanilang sailing class. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, yung high tide. Kanginang umaga pala, high tide, tapos ngayon low tide na ulit. Meanwhile, mag-coffee break muna tayo. After naming mag-nap, ito yung namin, regular routine. Magna-nap at magko-coffee at mag-chill ng konti habang ini-enjoy yung coffee. Ayan. Sobrang chill lang tayo sa ocean view. Dahil maya-maya, guys, ay uuwi na din kami. Sunday afternoon, umuwi din kami, guys. Para yung the rest of Monday ay chill na lang dahil nga holiday, President's Day. Chill at home kami. Biyahe na tayo pa uwi. So, ito yung view namin pa uwi. Nakita namin na may nag-take off na cruise ship, kaya nag-stop kami at pinanood namin ito. Ayan, nakatapos na naman tayo ng isang vlog for today. Salamat, guys, sa panood. Sana ay na-enjoy ninyo. See you on my next vlog.